Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia if today is your first time here, and in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make oilless okra soup with banku, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share if you enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much. So without wasting much time, here are my ingredients I'll be using. I have here crab, mackerel, I also have here beef and blended okra. I have here chopped onions, all-purpose seasoning, bicarbonate of soda, dawa, locust beans. I also have here salted fish. I have here jalapenos pepper, spinach, and also one habanero pepper, ginger and garlic. So to begin with, I'll add my beef to my saucepan, and I'll go ahead and add blended ginger, onion, garlic and pepper. I'll also add salted fish and all-purpose seasoning, and I'm going to steam it on a low heat for about 10 minutes. So it has been cooking for 10 minutes. I'll now go ahead and add the mackerel, I'll add about half a cup of water to it, and I'll add a pinch of salt to taste. So I'll now add the crab and cook for another few minutes. So whilst I'm steaming the meat, I'll go ahead and cook the okra. So to my saucepan, I'll add the okra. I already have 1 cup of water. I'll give it a stir, and at this point the okra is too thick, and I'm going to add about half a cup of water and give it a quick stir. I'll now add the dawa, locust beans, and the bicarbonate of soda. I'll also add the chopped onion, and I'll give it a quick stir. So I'm going to cook it on a medium heat for about 10 minutes. And I will take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my new subscribers and to my old subscribers. Thank you all so much for supporting my channel. So at this point, I'll add the spinach, so the okra is all done at this moment, and I'm going to transfer it onto the soup. I'll go ahead and add the jalapeno peppers. And at this point, our okra soup is all done. It's very simple and delicious. And I hope you are enjoying this recipe at this point. I'll now set it aside and then go ahead to cook the banku. I have here in my saucepan 3 cups of corn dough, and to it I'm going to add 2 cups of cassava dough. I'll add about 4 cups of water, and I'm going to stir it until it's very smooth. And I'll add some salt to taste. Now I'll be cooking it on a medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I'll keep stirring it until it becomes well cooked. And please, if you are enjoying this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, like and share. Thank you all so much for your support to my new subscribers and also to my old subscribers. I really appreciate all the support you are giving to this channel. I'll now add about 1 cup of water, cook for about a few minutes. So at this point, our banku is all done. It's nice and soft. And also you can comment below what kind of recipes you would like me to share with you. And at this point, I'll be dishing out my banku. And please give me a thumbs up, like and share if you are enjoying this recipe. So now I'll be serving my banku with my oilless okra soup. It's very delicious, tasty, and very simple, and I hope you are going to try this. Thank you all so much for watching, and happy Christmas in advance to all of my subscribers. Oh, our banku is looking good. Thank you all so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye.